Welcome back. In this tutorial, what we'd like to do is populate our footer and also put a contact developer link in there where you click on the link and it will take you automatically to an email so you can actually send any comments to the developer. So let's get underway in creating that. Now, because we're working in the footer section, this is where we need to type. So in here, you can actually put the developer and you can put the name. Or you can put a date like 20, whatever it is. Then on the next line, we put a anchor tag. And we can put contact developer. Now, if we want to send an email to the developer, we use a different href tag. Rather than using a hyperlink HTTP, we're going to use a mail to. So this is a mail to tag. This tells the browser to open up your email client so you're able to send an email. Then you can enter in the email address. So I can put like lmarsden@me.com.au. And if you want it to have an autofill subject line, all you need to do is place a question mark, subject, and then you can put here what you'd like to appear in the subject. So you could put example website and then save that. So when we have a look at the page, down the bottom here, you can actually see there's the hyperlink. When I click on that, it opens up an email client ready to go with the email in and also the line filled out. Now we need to get rid of the decorations, etc. on this. Now once again, you can apply a inline style. So you could go class equals and then put no decoration and save that. So there's no line underneath that, but it still has the purple color. So once again, we need to go into our footer part of our CSS and we can apply some styles in here. First of all, rather than using an inline class, let's do it in the CSS. So once again, we'll go text decoration none. So I'll just copy it out of the top one. We also want the color to be white. So I'll borrow this one. Let's get rid of the height and the width. And we're going to add some padding. So we're going to add some padding to the top. And let's make that 50 pixels. Add some padding to the right. Let's make it 250. And padding to the left, 250. And let's have a look at that. All right, it's getting there. Now, if you want this in the center, it's probably better to use a text align than a padding. I'm going to keep the padding on the top, but I'm just going to remove the other ones. And put in text align, and let's go to the right. Now it's on the right hand side. If you want it in the center, you can always change that back to center. Now, once again, we've still got the purple color there, even though we've set it to white. So we're going to have to do the same subclass with footer and the anchor tags. And once again, we'll set that to color white as well. Save that. Now we've got it all in white. If you want to increase the size of your footer, you can always add the text size up here. Okay, that concludes our footer. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also have a look around my YouTube channel for other useful web development tutorials.